Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Redmi K20 series aka Xiaomi Mi 90 series mobile phones. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then take out the back cover. To remove the back cover, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the back cover edges. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic carpet tool and gently cut the adhesive. Next, take out the back cover and pull out the board frame by undoing 12 screws. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, disconnect the main ribbon connector from the logic board. Next, take out the not working battery. First, loosen the adhesives on the sides and then pull it by the tab. Be gentle and lift the battery. Next, place a new battery in the body and then paste the adhesive. Next, secure the main flex. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, secure the board frame by adding 12 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.